In this experiment, we are going to observe whether a body is charged or not using an electroscope. We will also learn how to make an electroscope. The material required would be an empty jam bottle. Any other empty plastic bottle would also work. A piece of cardboard, or you can even use the cap of the bottle instead. A paper clip, 2 strips of aluminium foil. Then for checking whether an object carries a charge or not, you can use an ebonite rod, a glass rod, plastic scale, balloon, silk cloth, woolen cloth, pen refill, or any other material of your choice. Let's see how we'll be making this electroscope first, and then we'll see how the electroscope helps you find out whether a particular object is charged or not.
Now see how can we make an electroscope at home. You will need an empty bottle of any soft drink. You can also use an empty bottle of jam. You will require a paper pin like this. Just open the paper pin. It becomes straight. Take 2 very small pieces of aluminium foil, 2 strips of kind of this dimension. Hold them together, pierce a hole and pass it through this pin in this way. It will look something like this. In the cap of this bottle, drill a hole and through that hole insert this pin. Your electroscope is ready. So this is a simple electroscope that you can make at home. Now we will use this electroscope to test whether a given object is charged or not. I have already used one gold leaf electroscope here. This is the one that is available in the market, and I think this is the one that you will have in your school lab as well. But this is the one that you can make yourself. To check whether a particular object is charged or not, you can take a glass rod, rub it with a silk cloth like this. When you rub a glass rod with a silk cloth, it gets charged. And then when you touch this rod on the head of the electroscope like this, or on the head of this electroscope like this, you will find that the leaves that are there inside, that means in this electroscope the gold leaf foils that you can see here, and here the aluminium foil leaves that we have made, they will open up, because when we hold it against the electroscope, the charge gets transferred down the wire to the foil, and since foil is very light and both the leaves, they are getting the same charge and similar charges repel each other, that is the reason the leaves of the electroscope will open up, showing that the object is charged. If the leaves do not open, this shows that the object does not carry any charge. You can also try it using a plastic scale. You can just rub it in your hair, only if your hair is dry. It should not be oiled. You will be able to see the result immediately.